and in the snow, sometimes we like to review some interesting skis. And I've just been skiing on the Rossignol Hero Athlete FIS factory GS race ski. It's got a turning radius of 30 meters, straight as a board. You can see here, it's a very beefy ski in any case, but it's got a very big riser here. It's also got another 3mm riser underneath that riser. And I have to say, well, you need an empty piste and you need a good schnapps to get you in the mood, and this ski flies. You know, anyone buying this ski will know exactly what they're looking for. You know, they'll be buying it because they're racing GS. We thought we'd test it out just to have a bit of fun, and it's quite an experience. It's quite frankly one of the fastest, most stable skis I think I've ever used in my life. Very quick, grips incredibly well, and yeah, how those World Cup boys and girls actually get these things around the turns is quite frankly astonishing. Yeah, so that's not for everyone. The FIS World Cup Hero Athlete, the factory edition. What a ski.